Welcome to the first session of this video lesson. In this video, I will be teaching on the topic, angles. Angles are topics that are taught in class 5. And it is expected that students understands it. So, in this lesson, I will teach you what you need to know about angles. My name is Valentine, and I will be your teacher in this class. Let's go over the learning objectives. 1. We will define an angle. 2. We will list and explain the types of angles. 3. We will answer some questions on angles. Let's go to class. So, what is an angle? An angle is formed at the point where two straight lines meets together. So, if I draw a straight line, and I draw another line to meet the first line, the point where these two lines meets together is called the vertex. And the distance from the first line to the second line is our angle. Let's call this angle x. Angles are measured in degrees. Degree is written as a small circle above the angle x. Example: angle 45 degree is written like this. Angles are measured with an instrument called protractor. Next, we will discuss the types of angles. There are 5 types of angles. 1. Acute angle. 2. Right angle. 3. Obtuse angle. 4. Reflex angle. 5. Straight line angle. We will discuss on each of these angles. We will start with acute angle. Acute angle is an angle that is greater than 0, but less than 90. The diagram below is an acute angle, with the angle 60 degrees. This angle, 60 degrees, is greater than 0, but less than 90. Next, we will define a right angle. A right angle is an angle that is equal to 90 degrees. The diagram below is a right angle, with the angle equal to 90 degrees. Next is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90, but less than 180. The diagram below is a picture of an obtuse angle. The angle is greater than 90, but below 180. Next is reflex angle. So, can you guess what this angle is? A reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180, but less than 360. The picture below is a reflex angle. The angle is greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Finally, we will look at a straight line angle. A straight line angle has an angle which is equal to 180 degrees. This is shown in the diagram below. The angle is equal to 180 degrees. So, we have discussed the 5 types of angles. Let's summarize these angles before we answer some questions. 1. An acute angle is greater than 0, but less than 90. 2. A right angle is equal to 90. 3. An obtuse angle is greater than 90, but less than 180? 4. A reflex angle is greater than 180, but less than 360. 5. A straight line angle is equal to 180. Now, let's answer some questions. Question 1. Which of the following angle is greater than 180, but less than 360? Just like I have taught you, the angle that is greater than 180, but less than 360, is a reflex angle. So, the answer is option C. Let's go to question 2. Which of the following angle is greater than 0, but less than 90? The angle greater than 0, but less than 90, is acute angle. The answer is option C. Let's answer the last question. Question 3. Which of the following angle is equal to 180 degrees? The angle that is equal to 180 is a straight line angle. So, the answer is option D. We have come to the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we will discuss on angles in a straight line. See you in the next lesson.